Hey guys! Welcome back to another vlog! Wait, let me fix this camera. It's Glorian here. Kakabili ko lang ng kape and some snacks kasi hindi pa ako kumakain today. Well, I lied. Kumain pala ako. Nagmelon ako kanina pero this is my first meal. I got corned beef pandesal and I got my caramel macchiato. Tapos bumili din ako ng, guys, kinakaadikan ko lately ang Belgian waffle from Starbucks. As in, super addict ako sa kanya. So today, luluwas ako kasi meron kaming band practice. I'm gonna meet them later at 8 PM. It's currently 3:39. I think I'm gonna get there mga 5. Tapos mag-ayos lang ako na gamit sa condo. I might run before the rehearsals. Tapos I have to send a bunch of things to dun sa mom ko kasi papadala tong harp. Tapos yung isa, yung sa pamangkin ko naman, damit niya. At yeah, that's the update. I'm gonna start driving in a while. Well, welcome to the vlog! Woohoo! Hey guys, I'm in the condo na. Emeng, arte. Ang in the condo. I got here kanina pa. Humiga lang ako kasi nakapagod yung biyahe. Ang init. I'm just gonna change to running clothes and magdadala ako ng isang extra shirt kasi after running, meron akong band practice. So, yun yung gagawin ko. Pero medyo nadya-jobs muna ako. So, baka mag-jobs muna ako. Maybe tonight na lang ako maglinis. Oh, guys, I don't wanna see the fridge. The fridge, parang 2 weeks na ako hindi napunta dito sa condo. So, well, the fridge was left open. But there are food in the fridge that I need to, you know, take out. But yeah. Guys, nagpaano nga pala? Nagpa-lashes ako. Nagpa-lashes ako. Na lang. Tapos, ewan ko napansin nyo, nagpa-dark ako ng hair, pero parang nagla-lighten na siya ngayon. And I feel like I want it to stay dark. Though, parang I wanna change also my hairstyle. At the same time, I don't know what hairstyle I'm gonna do. So, may gig ako tomorrow. That's why may band practice kami tonight. And then, I might go to an audition on Saturday with a friend of mine. And then, I have another gig on Sunday. So, that is what's gonna be happening in this vlog. So, yan! So, mag-get ready lang ako and yung...
Ito pala muna dito.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Today is Friday and it's 3:30 PM. It's actually pretty gloomy right now. I'm on my way to pick up my goddaughter and we're gonna go on a date. So, ayan, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. This has been in the plans for so long. For context, sobrang fan yung inaanak ko ng dinosaur. So, we're gonna go to the museum. Pakita ko sa kanya ang dinosaur. Kasi ako yung best ninang in the world! Ollie's here! Say hi! Hi! Ollie, what's that? Ollie, this one. Dinosaur! Hey guys, it's Saturday today. I'm not sure kung nakapag-vlog ako or nakakuha ko ng phone videos, but if ever I do have, lalagay ko na lang siya dito. Basically, so, nag-band practice kami. Nag-run ako to sa band practice kami, and then the next day was the gig day for Sandwiches EP launch. And then after that, pumunta kami ng best friend ko, si Eunice. Pumunta kami ng Cavite kasi nagpalagay ako ng rollers sa pick-up. Tapos, tumakbo kami ng Vermosa. And then we had dinner at Chili's. Friday, nag-date naman kami ng inaanak ko. I took her to the Mind Museum. And then I watched the gig. And I got to see Ali Buendia play live.
Pare ko, meron akong problema. Huwag sabihin mo naman.
And then, today's Saturday. I woke up pretty late. I've been waking up late since Thursday. Hindi na ako siya na magpuyat. For context, medyo matagal na rin ako hindi nagigig. And ngayon na lang ulit ako lumalabas ng gabi. So, feeling ko nag-adjust pa lang din ako. And sobrang sakit guys ng katawan ko. To the point na nag-book na ako ng massage kagabi. Tapos pagising ko, pagod na pagod pa rin ako. Ang sakit ng dito. Masakit to. Ayan, masakit yun. So, I don't know what's happening. Feeling ko tumatanda na talaga ako. Yeah, nagpamasaya ako gabi. I woke up late and then my mom called me already kasi I have to bring this keyboard to the repair place sa Yupang ko. Kasi kung hindi ko madadala today, sarado sila bukas. Hindi na siya matatagalan. But anyway, so that's what I did. I took a bath, I got ready, tapos pumunta na ako yung Yupang ko, dinala ko yung keyboard, tapos bumili ako ng breakfast. Ngayon lang ako kumain, guys. It's already 4, and this is my first meal right now. Plano ko maglinis dito sa condo kasi, like what I said, ang tagal ko na hindi nandito, so I think it's about time to do a little pick-up cleaning. Siguro parang weekend clean-up. Yeah, so that's the plan. And gusto ko rin tumingin ng swimsuit na one piece kasi nag-join ako ng aquathlon, and the swimsuits that I have are all for triathlon. So yung parang jammer siya ng mahaba. And hindi ko gusto yung tan line. I mean, okay lang naman na mag-tan line ako ng isang malaking ganyan on the race itself. But like, for training, I don't like it. Kasi medyo nagsha-shorts din ako at nagsiskirt ako on a daily basis. And I don't like the tan line na parang may shorts ako dito. So, gusto ko din tumingin ng swimsuit na one piece na panty cut. And what else? Actually, gusto ko bumili ng bagong frame ng eyeglasses. Gusto ko ng black. Ang tagal na nito, guys. Para magto 2 years na to. And look, sira na siya. So, yun yung gusto kong gawin. Nainis ako na masakit yung paa ko. So, I wanna run. Pero ayokong biglain. Pero tatakbo kami bukas ni Eunice tatakbo kaming Alabang. Sana magising ako. Kasi sabi ko 6 AM kami mag-meet. Eh, anong oras na ba ako nagigising lately? Kanina nga 12. 12 na ako nagising. Kahapon, 12 na din ako nagising. So, let's see. Hello guys! Welcome to another day in my vlog. Nag-jogging kami kanina. I was with Eunice and Billy. First time namin mag-jog ni Eunice sa Alabang. And we had a great time kasi it's not that crowded. We usually do our Sunday runs here in Makati. And it was our first time nga doon. And compared to Makati, it was a lot less crowded and mas mahangin, and yeah, sobrang na-enjoy namin. And then after that, we had breakfast, we had coffee at Cooper's. It was my first time trying Cooper's. So, nagustuhan ko naman siya. I had their brown sugar latte. Tapos, after nun, nagtingin kami ni Eunice ng mga swimsuit. So, may nagustuhan kami sa Roxy, pero feeling namin may makikita pa kaming mas magugustuhan namin. Tapos, after nun, bumili ako ng damit. Nabudol ako ni Eunice. Niyaya niya ako sa Cotton On kasi it was sale. And, mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. But, right now, katapos ko lang maligo, I'm about to have my lunch. Umorder ako sa Grab ng Pizulu. So, I have their pizza. And umorder ako ng pasta. So, that is my lunch. So, kain lang ako. And then later, I'll get ready. Kasi may gig ako mamaya sa QC. Sa Medyo Kitchen. And I heard nga, masarap daw pagkain doon. Oh, by the way, guys, meron na pala akong IG channel. So, to those subscribers here, to those who are watching here on YouTube, do follow me also on Instagram and TikTok. Pero on Instagram, I have my IG channel, which I'm really, really excited about. Kasi last week ko pa gusto magkaganon. Kasi wala lang. Para may pag-outletan ako ng aking kadaldalan. Ayun. So, meron na ako. Tapos, pinangalanan ko siyang glorian.raw. Rar. Wala lang. Yeah, I'll get ready in a while. But I'm gonna eat first. Hey guys, it's a little bit later. Pagkatapos ko kumain, nanood lang ako ng vlog. Pili ko first time ko mapanood si Ray Hermar. Right now, I am about to show you what I got. Kasi na-mention ko kanina, napadaan kami sa Cotton On. Dapat si Eunice lang kasi, sabi lang niya sa akin, "Uy, Glorian, tingin tayo sa Cotton On, dali sale, ganyan-ganyan." So, tingin kami. So, tas nakita ko tong pants na to. This is their cargo wide Asian fit pants. Tapos, meron siyang parang line here. Tapos, parang nakaka-slim ng legs. That's why I liked it. So, I got this. Tapos, naka-sale din yung mga running shorts nila. And if you guys know me, I'm really enjoying running right now. I mean, I've been running since high school. Kasi, diba nga, nung nag-start ako mag-triathlon, ayun, doon ako na-start. Pero, na-realize ko, lahat ng mga running gears ko, usually, parang pinaglumaan lang ng mom ko yung mga shorts ko, or padala ng mga pinsan ko from the States. Isang beses pa lang yata ako nakabili ng shorts, and that was last year na pumunta kaming Florida. Kasi sa Florida ba ako nag-buy? And then, nung pumunta kaming LA, dun lang ako bumili. So, I got 2. Tapos, yung mga gamit ko pa, parang yung mga ginagamit ko pa ng high school, nung college pa. So, medyo parang palus na yung garter, ganyan. Eh, ako kasi, guys, hindi ako yung type na kung meron pa at nagagamit ko pa, okay lang, gagamitin ko hanggang sa parang may butas-butas. Okay lang sa akin, hindi naman ako maarte. Pero na-realize ko na parang, okay, wait. Also, when I started gaining weight, parang shucks, wala nang kasya, ganyan. Though, kumakasya na ulit yung shorts ko ng high school. Pero sabi ko, ayoko nang ipilit kasi mukha na siyang maliit for me and it looks like a high school shorts. So, namili ako ng shorts kasi mura lang. Ang dami ko sinabi, papakita ko lang naman bumili ako shorts. So, merong purple. Tapos, meron siyang parang cycling insides. Kaya, madali. Gusto ko talaga ng ganitong shorts pag tumatakbo rather than wearing parang cycling shorts or yung leggings kasi mas free yung legs kung tumakbo. Kasi may parang pag-fitted, parang may resistance. Ayun. Tapos I also got the blue one. Though, This one is in size extra small. Pero ito na lang kasi, gusto ko kasi yung color, pero extra small na lang siya. Kasya naman siya, mas ano lang siya, mas pero okay lang. Hindi naman siya parang odd tingnan. So, yun. Ito ang aking mga nabili. Ayun lang. I'm gonna get ready in a while. It's almost 4. I'm planning to leave Makati ng 5:30 so I can be there before the call time. The call time's at 6:30 today. Sabi ni Billy, pupunta daw siya dito, sabay kami. So, baka naman, pag-drive ako ni Billy, kasi nahihilo siya pag ako yung nagda-drive or like iba daw yung nagda-drive. Hello guys! Welcome to the end of the vlog. Hindi ko na end properly, so I'ma end it properly right now. Thank you guys so much for watching that vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. That was my little life in Manila. Now I'm back in the province. Let's see if I could vlog again. But until then, please follow me on my other social media accounts. Everything's at Gloria in Limbo. So that's on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and of course, subscribe here sa channel ko dito sa YouTube. And I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye!